Last class what we have seen, we have stopped at this position. Right now we have seen this option, we have completed this, okay, this section. And second one I have shown you this option also, and how important it is, you have seen that also. One minute. One minute. Right. Yeah, can you see this all? Okay, so we have completed this section, and this is very important in CorelDraw, as I have shown you. One option I have shown you already, how to create the shapes. But again, this part will come. I'll show you one. So what is it? Character design. I'll show you one. So what is it? Logo. I'll show you one. Brochure. I'll show you. Okay, so you will get in clarity using this one now. How it will be important and how easily the work can be done in this one. Let's come back to this one now. Last class we have stopped it here now. That is filling option. We'll continue this section today. Okay, so now let's say example, I will create this object here now. Okay, let me apply some color on this one. Yeah, all of you, can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see here, right now this fill option which I am using over here now, interactive fill, that option is available in the project object properties. And if you see this fill option, here it is available. First option, if you don't want to fill the color, simply click here to no fill. Now if you fill the first option, that is fountain fill, nothing but solid color we can fill. Sorry, uniform fill, not fountain. Uniform fill, it will fill only single color. And we can choose what color we want, we can choose, and we can fill the color. Okay, and second, what is the third option, that is, what is it, fountain fill here. Now that is nothing but gradient we can say, guys. We can apply the gradient, we can apply the styles here. First is linear, okay, reflection. Another option, including this one, we have linear, radial, angle, and reflected. Sorry, diamond option, no reflection. Let's say example linear in this one. Now what we can do, we can increase and decrease the size of this one, and we can increase and decrease the position. Right now you can see this size. Now we'll increase this one now, make it around 150%. What happened, this size got increased. Now similarly I'll make this 300%. Now see, almost all it has become white. Reduce this one to 50% and see, it has become a small size here. Now position, if I want to move the position, this is move position. Now we can move the position from one place to another place. Let me make it 20. See, it has moved towards right side. If you want to more if you want to move 40%. See, now same thing, I want to decrease, I want to move it down now. Y direction, move it up here now. Up is the plus value, down is the minus value. Minus 20, see what happened, it gone down. Plus value, if I want to use plus, it will go up now. Is it clear, these options? What is this? Nothing but gradients we can manipulate using these properties. Rotation we can do, skew we can do on this one. Even we can do the rotation also. But there is no use. Why? Because it is round, so there is no use of this one. Let me add one more shape onto this top. Double click to add one more shape. Let's apply some color over here. Example, let's take yellow color. Now we can see right now I'll make it a little bit flat, so that height I'll decrease. Now height, so first of all remove this link, make this as 20%. What we got? We got a less height in this one. Again link and rotate it now. See, make it around 45 degrees. Sorry, skew. Make it rotation first. Can you see the rotation? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Rotation we can see, and similarly we can have the skew option also. See. Now let me make it 0 first. We can see the 0, and this one also I'll make it 0 so that you can see. And skew I'm applying 45 degrees. Now you can see the information. Similarly 90 degrees it will apply, but it is no more useful for 90 degrees whenever you are applying. Okay, so like this you can use these properties for this, what is it, fill color. Okay, Now even if I want to reverse this value, reverse we can do it on this one, on the gradient scalars we can reverse it. Now if I want to reflect another one, now example I have taken one, if I want to have a reflection more, now we can have multiple reflection. Okay, multiple pieces reflection. And if you want what is it, repeat and mirror, it will repeat and mirror. It will repeat the same. Now you see position I am making 0. Now see what happened, it has moved this towards left side. Similarly y direction I will make it 0. You can see this information over here. Like this we can apply the gradient color on this one now. Is it clear this point? First, how to apply the gradients, how to manipulate these properties.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and second one, like example I have taken one more object. On this one I am applying the solid color. I want to show the transparency on this one, but not this one. Let me take this as backside order, send it back. Now I want to apply transparency to this one. Can you see the transparency option over here?
Yes, sir.
I have not gone to the main object. From here only we can apply the transparency. See, backside object is visible when I have started. Now move this, we can see the transparency here now. You can see outside. Now we can place the object on the top. We can see the transparency. If I make it 0, it is no more transparency in this one. Is it clear all of you guys? This first option, that is gradient.
Yes,
Next
sir.
option is vector pattern fill. When you click this one, you get a vector pattern fill inside this one. We have some list of options here. Now once you click this one, okay, you will get options here. Again, as if I told you, for some options you will get more properties. For this one you don't have any more option available. Go to the personal. Okay, you will see few options here in this one. Click here, go to the personal, you have some options here. Now select this option and say apply here. That's it. Okay, how many options you are getting here guys? 1 2 3 4 8 12 13 and 14. Only 14 we are having in this one. We don't have other options in this. Only this many options are available. Select and apply the fill option. Is it okay? How to apply
Yes,
the
sir.
vector pattern now in this one. Okay, now other than this one we have next option, that is bitmap pattern fill. Bitmap pattern fill will have some categories over here. Okay, personal, again we have this option. Select this one and apply this option. What happened, we are getting a different patterns over here. Now we have different patterns we can apply. Select this one and apply again. See, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What is this bitmap pattern? Bitmap pattern in the sense we can go and we can apply the images on this one. Click on the sample, we can see this list. Now if you want to apply any other external option, like an example, let me take this image. Right now we don't have. If you want, you can go for bitmap image also, JPG image also. See, anywhere we have JPG image. Here we have JPG. We can select this JPG. Otherwise, let's select the second JPG. There is no more image. Desktop. Select this image and say open now. What happened? Here what happened now? The image got replaced, okay, with this option now. Now instead of applying the existing one, we have applied the in the system whatever patterns you are having, that pattern you have applied it. Now let's select this other options guys. Now go to the again JPG option. Okay, now JPG bitmap. Now under this one select this object, which object you want it, and place it now. Is it okay this point?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So now these are the options available. We can use this one, bitmap pattern. So that is bitmap pattern here. Now if we come to this section, we have three options over here. One is two color pattern, and second one is texture pattern, and third one is post strip pattern here. Let's say two color pattern now. See what happened. We got two color pattern on this one. We have different designs on this one. We can use design what design we want. Select and apply what design you want. See, different designs. Okay, options are there. Which option you want to apply, you can apply it. Now example, we'll go with this option. Right now we can see first one, that color can be changed from which color to which color you want to change. Easily you can change. See, okay, what is this two color combination? We are changing the colors and we are changing the styles, and what style you want you can easily apply. Now under the same option, instead of two color pattern fill, we can go for a texture fill also. What happened in the texture? We have some category list here. Now we can apply this option. Select and it will be applied. Now we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options we are having. We can go and we can select different categories here. Now see. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this vector pattern fill? We have different samples over here. We can apply the samples. Which sample you want it is in this one. Okay, you can see nice color combination we are having. We can use this one. One second, let me click and choose the other option, guys. Now like this we can apply. See how nice it is now. Okay, so what is this option? Texture fill here now. Last option, that is PostScript fill. Now under PostScript fill we have so many options here. Now see, on this one we can go for bars. Okay, Archimedes is there. Let's have a bar option, we can see. Okay, now we can go with the other option instead of this one. Bricks, you will get the bricks option. Now even if you go to the other options like in denims, we can have a denim option. Like this we can apply what options we are having in this list. We can apply everything. Like an example, if I want to apply stars, I can apply the stars also. See, is it clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what is this option? PostScript. Now under PostScript, this see how many options we are having in the list. You can see this list here now from top to bottom. This many options you are having. You can apply all these options. Okay, example, if I want to apply some birds now, I can apply the birds on this one. See, small birds we are having. If you zoom, you can see the result here. Birds option. Instead of birds, we can change it to other section also. Let's say example cracks, you will get the cracks over here. See, instead of cracks, let's go to the other option. Let's say example grass now. What happened? We got a grass. Select this option and apply some tiles design here. We can see the tile design. Okay, is it clear this point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is all options from the fill option, guys. Similarly, when we apply the transparency to this object, now let me take this object and apply some, okay, normal object now. Delete this one. Make one more object and apply some color, guys. Okay, this is the object and this is one more color. Now select this one. Now if I want to apply transparency, I can go to the transparency section here. Again, how many options we are having? All these options except last option, that is PostScript pattern, we don't have in this one now. Okay, so other than this, all the options are available. Which option you want to apply? Do you want to apply solid gradient, solid transparency, or gradient transparency? Now you can see the gradient transparency immediately. It has given the effect, and we can see this also. See, radial, angle, and what's it, diamond here now. But this is good, looking good, and linear is more perfect in this one. We can see the effect how it is applying. Now some styles are available here. We can use this one. Select and apply it. Okay. So like this we can use the options here. Transparency options. Okay. So this is your first option, guys. Now whenever we want to apply the transparency, we can directly apply. This is what solid color we are having. Now similarly, I can go for a gradient. I can apply the gradient color. Third option, I can take the pattern. I can apply the pattern. And fourth option, okay. Now instead of this one, what we say, pattern fill, we can go for other options. Sir, I don't see the message. I am not well, sir. So behind the class tomorrow. Okay. So now let's see any these options are there. We can apply this option and we can say apply now. See, is it okay? Now move this object onto the canvas. Now see how nice it is looking now. Is it okay? What is this option? Through transparency we are applying the pattern fill here. So open this one, select this object, open this option, and we have different colors. We can apply different colors. Okay, and second one, we can manipulate all the other properties. Okay, select this one and change this other property. See, okay, is it clear, all of you, all these options?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this option? Under this, what is it, fill, and second one is transparency. Under transparency, we are using the what is this option? Second one, gradients, and third one is what do we say? Vector pattern. Fourth one is bitmap pattern. We can apply the bitmap pattern also. Take this one and apply the bitmap pattern. See. Okay, is it clear this point? Bitmap pattern also, we are having some pattern. Just place the cursor, click on that one, and say apply. Okay, what's the texture fill inside? We can see the effects will be applied in this. Okay, that is this option. And next option is the two color fill and transparency fill, texture transparency. First of all, two color fill, we can choose our color, what color we want it. Now example you see. Okay, what option you want, you can select that option and you can apply it. Is it clear all of you this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Transparency, under transparency, two color fill. Last option, that is texture pattern fill. Okay, we can apply the same textures and we can use this one, see. But no more visibility of the backside object unless and until you have transparency in the back. Okay, now we can do what? We can decrease the opacity first. Select this option and go for opacity option and we can apply it. So let's decrease the opacity from here only. Okay, let me select and apply. Yeah, is it okay? Now you can see the transparency. Now can you see this object in the back side?
Yes.
Okay, like this it is going to apply the transparency on this one. Now we have transparency method, we can apply from here. How you want your transparency to be applied. If you apply more, you will see the visibility of the all other objects in the back side. So this is first section, guys. Now this one, and second one is this section. In this one, most of the options are same. Only what it does, one will apply the fill color and second one apply the transparency to the existing object. Okay, this point is clear, all of you? These 2 points, filling and transparency.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Sir, transparency,
हाँ जी.
opacity, sir. Transparency.
Opacity.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So now right now this is one option which we have done. Next option, outlines, guys. Okay, outlines, I'm changing this other color. Now we can see the stroke color, we can apply the stroke size here now, but no color can be applied from here. Already we have seen this one, how to apply this one now. We can increase and decrease the size, even we can change the color. Now if you come to this section also, it will do the same thing. First of all, size we are having, then color, what color we want to apply and what thickness you want to apply, you can apply the thickness here. Okay, now if you have a single line, you can apply starting arrow, ending arrow. Okay, and other than this one, we can apply center, outside or inside stroke we can apply. And third option is there. Now we can apply solid color or we can apply the gradient color also. 1 second, sorry. Minimize this also. 1 minute, guys. We don't have this gradient option in this one, so we can apply only a solid color as outline. Okay, no fill color can be applied in a gradient. Okay, we can apply normal colors here also. So we can apply normal colors from here also, and we can apply from this section also. So this is what properties we are having in the stroke option, guys. We can have a change of style, we can apply the style. There are so many styles are available, we can use this what style we want it. Okay, next option, thickness, we can increase and decrease how much you want. Then it should be defined in inches, millimeters, centimeters, yards, points, feet. What you want, you can implement it. Okay, even if you don't want this color, we can change the color of the outline. Yes, is it okay, all of you, this point?
Yes, sir.
How many
Yes,
points?
sir.
How many points we have taken? One we have seen, that is stroke values, and second one we have seen the fill color, and third one we have seen the transparency option. Yeah, shall we? Yes, please.
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, as if I have shown you 3 sections in this one, Okay, now I want to show the other section, that is eyedropper tool and attribute eyedropper. Let me create some objects first. Let's apply some solid color on this one more object where I'm going to apply the pattern fill in this one, but let's take some different pattern. Okay, let's apply. Right now this is one object. Let me take another object. Okay, apply this postscript here now. In this one, postscript has been applied in this one. How many objects I am having, guys?
3, sir.
3.
More 3 I am making. Let's apply some thickness for this outline. Let's apply some 16 size thickness. For this one I am going for an outline. I am applying the color change to blue color, and the thickness has to be increased to around 4, something like that. See? Okay, and the last object should have some transparency on this one. So go to the transparency section, apply transparency in the solid way, and what size you want you can define it. Right now it is 50%. Right, all of you? Now what I want, if I create a new object without any properties and all, I want to implement these colors for this object. Select this one, use your normal eyedropper tool, color eyedropper tool. What it does, it will apply the color in this one. See, zoom, again use your eyedropper tool. Okay, now use your eyedropper tool in this one. Here is the eyedropper tool. Pick it, what color you want to pick. Let's say example dark yellow color, and paint it on the other object. Can you see what happened? We have picked one color from the image and we have applied on this canvas now. Okay, whatever color you want you can apply it. But see here, whenever we are picking something and we are applying on the canvas now. Okay, but there is no interesting option available inside. So now when you go to this option, select this one. Here we have desktop and we can apply this option. Now if I go to the attribute option now, see what happened? Here we have same properties, but 3 sections are available. One is property, that is outline, fill and text. Second option is there size, rotation and scale, and fourth option is style we have applied. It will take the style also. Let me take this one. Right now we are having drop shadow. Let's apply the drop shadow on this one. Effects, bitmap option. Okay, effects. Let me see this option. No, so 1 second, we'll apply the shadow from here. Let's apply the drop shadow and click and drag on the right side now for applying the stroke here. Outline. Can you see the shadow here now?
Yes, sir.
Now if you select this object, now if I want to apply these properties for this object, okay, let me select this one. Right now when I am picking this attribute eyedropper tool, guys, now what we want to pick and what we want to apply. So first of all, picking options, all I want to pick. Here you see size, rotation, everything. I don't want to pick it. Okay, and last option, effects will be there. Effects we can apply. Anywhere you have, so what is it, drop shadow here? Over here, accept it. While picking this one, now when we pick it, now when we apply the color. Okay, can you see this option, guys? Size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the color we are having, shadow we are having, we can apply the shadow. We have not given any size, guys. Okay, undo this now again. Now what I want now in this one, first property, while picking I want to resize this one, guys. Resize in the sense size and some rotation and position also I want it now. Okay, 1 second, cancel it. Okay, now 1 second, take me 1 second, little bit skew, guys. Okay, little bit decrease. Now I can see this object now. Okay, take this attribute eyedropper, guys. It's very simple and easy option. Understand it first. Now I am applying this outline, fill and text. Second option I am applying size, rotation and skew option over here. Accept it. And third option is your other options, which you want to include it now. Select this option, counter. Everything what I am picking now in this one, it should apply now. Select this object and click on this one. 1 second. Just click here now. What happened, guys? What happened? You can see this one. Here this object came onto this one. Right now it is position. It has resized the object. Second one, it has changed the color, drop shadow. Everything has been applied, and size also it got reduced. Moving of a position, because if you see here, Can you see this option? What is this? Sizing has been done. Position, from here this object has moved to this one, and rotation, in the sense we have rotation also, that also it has applied it. Is it clear, these properties?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Attribute eyedropper is whatever it has to the object, it will pick everything and it will apply to the object. Now while picking, we can pick some and we can deliver. Now see what happened, it is delivered here. Now when we are picking this eyedropper, while dropping also we have to decide what we want to drop. See, fill option, sizing option, this all other options are available here. Means while picking what we want to pick, and while storing, if I don't want certain things. Now example, let's see, I want to pick this one, but I don't, I'll take this option, I'll take this pick color option in this one. I don't want outline here, guys. What I have to do? Go to the fill option. I don't want this, what do we say? Outlines I don't want. I want only the color should be filled. So remove this outline, accept it. Now click on this one, see what happened. From here to here, I picked this one. Now move this and see. I got, what is it? Object. I got fill, everything we got it, but only we don't have this outline here. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
whenever you are using this eyedropper tool, very advantage in CorelDraw, normal eyedropper and attribute eyedropper. Attribute eyedropper, what it does, while picking what you want to pick, while applying it, what you want to apply in this one. That also we can choose it easily. Now if it is clear, I'll stop here. If it is not clear, one more time I'll explain this attribute eyedropper. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you practice this one, very important I'm saying, guys. Now this is very important, this section. Second one, this section is very important. Now this eyedropper tool and this fill option, interactive fill, both are very important, and this stroke option also very important. Okay, is now if it is clear, let's go to the other section. One second, Sarah is there?
No, sir.
है?
आ गए
कहाँ गए?
चले गए
अभी चले गए, बहुत देर हुआ?
बहुत देर हुआ सर
Okay, right, ठीक है. So now as we have seen, guys, now this option, one was a poster, she got it right now as a test, you can see. She has done, but they don't want this one. They want simple minimalistic option. They don't want this much of detail. They want simple object here. Now how to make this very simple? Now as if I told her that apply one middle line, one side you apply jewelry, one side you apply cash. This one I want it on the top. This information should be on the bottom. Okay, very simple. And this option. Example I'll show you for this now. Landscape area first. Simple option, like assume this is one second, let me take the image. Okay, currency, Indian currency, notes, and one jewelries.
Sir, you were doing this when we were in that other class, right, sir?
Yes, but she has not completed, so I need to take this one more time. Let's see, I am taking the PNG image. यहाँ से PNG image ले लेना. Take this PNG image, guys. You will get transparent background for this one. Let me take any one jewelry. Why? Because only what we want to show some jewelry items in this one. Either you can see this one or you can share this one also. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, and second one, currency notes I want it. So go to this option, and here we have currency notes. I want similarly like this. Here I like this, I want it. You can see. Okay, now we want only notes. We don't want this all information. It should be presented in this notes only. Go to the zoom. You can see the notes option here. One option is here. Any other option available without any? Yeah, this one. Take this one and implement on your image. Now this is also one more. We can take this one also. Let's see. This is not clear. Let me apply this one. Right click, save image on desktop. I'm saving. Okay, let's close this one. As if I have taken this image, right click and save image. This one also, save it on desktop. Okay, now let's keep these two. But first one, initially I need this one to be sent to the Photoshop for removing the background, guys.
CorelDraw में निकाल सकते हैं सर बैकग्राउंड? जी सर.
नहीं.
ओके.
Yeah. Take these two images. उसमें निकाल सकते हैं आप, जैसे अपन इसमें इलस्ट्रेटर में करे थे ना,
जी सर.
सेम वे में निकालना पड़ता।
अच्छा सर पेपर
इमेज ट्रेस ऑप्शन, उसके बाद में बैकग्राउंड रिमूव।
जी
ओके, अब इसमें मैं बैकग्राउंड रिमूव कर रहा हूँ। रिमूव दिस वन एंड गो टू दिस व्हाट्स प्रॉपर्टीज and scroll down, remove background here. That's it, first one. Maybe it will remove clearly, sometime it may get stuck in the middle, means it will take the object also, then manually we have to do it. Okay, perfectly it has done. Now what we have to do, we don't have to drag and drop this one, we have to save this one. Save on computer and save this as PNG image, guys. PNG image, and let's say 2K notes. PNG image I'm saving. Okay, close this one. I don't want to save this as PSD file. Okay, close this one. I don't want to save in main file. Similarly here also, background I want to remove. Why? Because I don't want white color area in this one. It has done. Let me see zoom. Why? Because in the middle it has not removed, guys. What we have to do? Zoom.
Sir, then you can like select the white and click similar in select, sir.
Yes. Very sharp candidate. Select this one and go with the option called similar selection. What it does, it will select the similar area over here. What happened? Yeah, but it has taken the golden color also. Undo. 1 minute. Okay, now go to this option, select and say similar selection. What happened? It is selecting a red color area. So undo this one 1 second, because I will remove this. I'll keep the background as it is. Then I will remove this. Select this using magic wand tool and go to this option called similar selection. Now it has selected this one. What happened? But if you see, this jewelry items also got selected because the tolerance point is more. I'll reduce the tolerance point to 20 here. Select again. Go to this option. Select similar selection. Now still the object is selected. Let's see. Yeah, few options are selected here. See, make it 10. Again click. Now again select and similar selection. Now anyhow we cannot do anything. Just we can remove this option. Delete it. Control D. It will not be visible. But let's see whether it is removed the middle one. Yes, perfect. Now go and save this image. File. Okay, save as desktop. Save this as what's it, jewelry. Okay, as PNG, and save it on desktop. Just click OK and close this image, which is easy. Means image trace and this one is easy, and Photoshop, for first of all doing work in the Photoshop is easy. Yes, please. Anyone? My flyer design. Okay, one second. Let me resize this one, guys. First of all, make this as small size. Okay, and second one, this also should be smaller size. Select and decrease the size first. Okay, now what I want here now, this one has to be rotated. Click here and rotate it and make it as 90 degrees, guys. Okay, accept. Now click here, make selection, and this currency has to go inside this one. Actually the brightness should be there, but right now I am not taking any color correction and all. Make it small size. Okay, now one more option like background, what we want, background, nice background, we'll take it. Take this one and apply this background, nice background on this one. So take it as a light cream color on this one. So click here and choose light color. Over here this color will be beautiful on this one. Right click, I want to make it little more light. Right click on this one and order and send it back here. You can see, but only this currency notes are not good, but the so golden color is good and this one is good. I want more light color, guys. Select this one and reduce the color to little more light color, more clearly visible and more accurate it is. Second one, as if he wants some text in this one. What is the text? Convert your gold into money. Take the text tool, click on this canvas. Okay, convert gold into money. Is it that same? Convert your gold into money. Okay, 1 second. Convert your gold into money. Select this one, place it here, zoom little bit more, and we want more big size. But first of all, I want this convert your gold into money. I'll make it in 2 lines.
Sir, you typed U instead of your.
Ajay, you are 1 second, sorry. Nobody is identifying that one. Only you are like teacher, you are identifying it. Okay, now select this one. Now first of all, what I want to give it a little bit typography option. Now it should look nice in this one. So what I'll do, golden, I'll select it and go to this character. I'll increase the size, or else from here you can increase it. Say gold. And second one, money, if I increase it will be a problem over here. What I'll do, I'll press enter button here. Okay, and I'll use this money also on this section. Okay, again I'll make this into, okay, I'll put it in the top, and money I'll increase more bigger size. Right now what is the size of this one? See, 48, and same thing I'll make it 48 for this one. Okay, but it is not that much accurate here now. Why? Because it is not looking good. Let me take this one in a single line and see. Still it is not good. What I'll do, I'll make this one back again to 24 only. Why? Because it is not looking good, so I'll keep it as it is. Okay, make this in single second line, and as we have made this gold, I want to give a little bit different look and feel for this one. Okay, what I'll do, on this side, 1 second, sorry, slight changes. Now how the typography works, how this we need to use it, I am using that one. Okay, now 1 second, sorry, select this one, cut it, Ctrl X, use backspace, accept it. So let's take this same copy, I'll make a copy here. Okay, now select this one and use Ctrl A, paste it. What we have now into money, but what I want, I should give a better look and feel for this one. So that's the reason I want to give this one in 2 different lines. Now like this. Okay, money has to come down here. Use enter button to bring this down. Apply left alignment and present it over here, and it has to be decrease the size. Is it 24? Make it around 18 here and present it here now. See, zoom, the typography can be used in this way. Right now it is little bit small size, make it 20. Is it okay, all of you? 20 is too larger, make it 19. Let's see, 19 is perfect. Okay, what I want now, next one, slightly I want to give a golden color for this one. Let's see, use your eyedropper tool and pick the what's it, golden color on this one, and apply that color to the text now. See, but what happened, it is not looking good at all. Okay, what we want, select this one, go to the text option, filling option. Under this fill, what we have to do, we have to take the fonted fill here. Click on this one, the gradient option, click this three dots here. It will open the panel. From here, what we have to do, we have to take the darker color. So right now one golden option is available here, we can use this one. Otherwise we can choose our color. Double click on this one, sorry, okay, delete it, drag outside, or double click on this one to delete it, and simply drag this point and in the middle and apply the color. Okay, use your eyedropper tool to pick the color from this canvas. Where is the eyedropper? Double click on this one, take this color option, use your eyedropper tool and pick the color from the canvas here, light color also. Now you can see, and third one, okay, accept it. Now third one, double click on this one, sorry, select this option, click here and use your eyedropper to pick the dark color now, guys. Dark color in the gold section now. See, once it is done, you can see, is it looking good? It is looking good, but it is not that much accurate now. What we'll do, we'll plan the similar color. Okay, use your eyedropper to pick the darker golden color, guys. Still it is not good. Let me pick the color first and apply on this one. Select and apply this color over here. This is okay, now done. So what happened, this is one option which we have applied, golden, so this one. Now second one, if you want, you can make this one also in the same one, but I don't want this is looking good. Let me apply the bold option to this one, so it will be little bit bold. Now if you want, you can apply the similar color to this also. It will give you little bit more attraction to this. Minimalistic option, select these two text now, okay, and use this Ctrl G to group it and align this one. Go to the alignment section in the same now, select, go to the alignment section and open this one and use this option called artboard and make it horizontal center. That's it. Is it done, this one, first point? Second point, I'll make a copy in the bottom, same copy. Now ungroup this one now, right click and say ungroup now, ungroup objects. What is the next text we are having here now? If you can see right now, cash against gold, okay, gold buyers, cash again gold. Let me take the text. Okay, what we have to type, cash against gold, and what is this, gold buyers over here. Now select this one, move it, okay, and again select this one, gold buyers, we have to type it. Again I want this one in 2 lines now. Present again in the same way. Okay, no need to change anything. Now like this we can give in a simple and what's it, minimalistic option. Finally, what we want, a color, what's it, number, phone number now. So some number, random number she has given, and she has given the what is it, phone number and WhatsApp, both they have given. Let's see. But only one thing is there, the note color correction, if you do it, that will be better. Let me apply some color on this one. With a modification we can do it in this one also, in Photoshop also. In this one also we can do some modification. Adjustment, image adjustment lab now. Once we go to this option, let's see, color correction we don't have here. Here we have this option, we can implement this one. Now if you want, you can go for yellow color and we can implement. Little light, so it look nice. But I want yellowish color flavor on this one. That's it. Okay, let's accept and see. Some changes and it is looking better for this now. Right? Is it okay? This one, and some more attraction if I want to give now this one. Okay, now select this and use Ctrl G to this one and move it down a little bit. Okay, same on this side also, we have to move it up a little bit. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll apply some circle on this one. Okay, hold shift and draw this one to nice circle on this one. Align it horizontal center, vertical center in the center. Same thing, this object should go horizontal center, vertical center. Object also. Let's move this object first. First of all, let's align this one. Horizontal, vertical center. Similarly, horizontal center, vertical center. What we have to do, move this towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Same way this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25 will take it. And same on this side also. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 will reduce it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am taking one extra, 1, 2, and this one as 1 and 2. 3 I am giving. This is okay. And similarly, vertical alignment should come little down for this now, because it should exactly be in center or this. Now take this circle and align this one in center now. Select, apply horizontal center, vertical center. See, right now it is not bring it in center now. Select these two objects. Okay, and right click, order, and send it backward now. See, back one now. Control page down. So if you apply the color, you can see. Control page down, you can see it is going back side. What we need to move this one towards left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And similarly this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Similarly, small in the bottom we have less space. I'll select this both. Use up little bit. Randomly you apply it, not exactly random. And second, I don't want this fill color. I want only outline. So remove this fill color. Only outline will take it for this object. Select this object and remove this fill color. Only outline I want. Right now it is not selecting. Outline. Let's take this outline with the golden color. Double click. Okay, use your eyedropper and pick the golden color from here. Now, what we have used for this option. Increase the size around 2. Now let's apply the style for this one. So I am applying the dash line, guys. Dash line that to this one. Let's see. Can you see? One dash
Yes,
line.
sir.
Okay. So dash line with so one more option in this one. Make a copy. Control C and Control V. Reduce the size. Okay. Or shift button to reduce the size. Make it one line, and this one should be solid one. So go to this option, object properties. Okay. This option, and choose an option called solid line. It's solid line. I want to make it little bit more bigger now. 4 option. Is it clear this point? One more line I am taking, copy and paste it, and use shift and increase the size, guys, outside. Zoom more, increase the size. Now we can see here now, small dotted lines it is showing over here now. Let me reduce this one inside little bit, so that decrease the size of this outline, make it around 1. Now I can see it will look nice like this. Is it clear? Looking like jewelry zone.
They look like bangles, sir.
Yes. Okay, is it clear all of you this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Simple one, minimalistic. Now poster, if you want to create it like this, we can create it. Now some attraction if I want to give it. Now I want to apply some borders here now, golden borders like this. Let me take some borders, PNG borders. दीपिका है यहाँ पर?
Yes, example.
आवाज़ ही नहीं है, बहुत दिन होगा आवाज़ सुन के. Okay, so let me take some design like this. I want to implement this, only this border should be like this, guys. Okay, it should be little bit golden color, but not this much bigger size, but little bit smaller size in this one. Looking good, this one. Okay, let me take this image, save as image. Okay, on desktop I am saving. Okay, again what we have to do first, if you want to implement this one,
Have to open Photoshop, sir.
very good, you are very sharp, Kruti. Okay, select this one and 1 second, make it as 30 pixels. Click on this one to make selection of a complete object and unlock this layer and delete this background. That's it. Right now I want to give an yellow color. 1 second, first of all inside this portion also we need to delete it and apply the golden color for this one. So adjustment, hue and saturation, click on colorize option.
Colorize, sir.
वेरी गुड. अभी कितने लोगों को याद है ऑप्शन ये? Anyone?
Sir?
Sir.
I'm asking these people, the people who are with me right now. I want to ask
Sir,
them.
could you repeat that?
Which one?
The question you asked, sir.
Same thing. And now means if I want to apply golden means hue and saturation, what option? So you told me that is hue. What is it? Colorize option. Immediately we have given the answer without means I
Yeah, sir. I was working on something in Photoshop just before the class, sir. Yeah.
Very good. But see here now I want to capture the similar color, guys. This golden color I am having in this one, so I want to capture this type of colors here. What I have to do, I need to import the image on this canvas so that I can see and I can manage this one. Okay, now see, almost all it is matching. Yes or no? If it
Yes,
is not
sir.
matching, select this one and try to match it now. Approximate. Saturation if you want, you can decrease and increase. And lightness if you want, you can increase and decrease. Almost all it is matching. We don't want anything else to apply on this one. So delete this jewelry items. Let's save this one. Control Shift S. Go to this save on computer. What I have to save? PNG image.
PNG, sir.
Very nice. That's why listen, I have not given a title to you as a smart and intelligent student of. Okay, now this one, my name, my student. Okay, you gone into the top position now. So 2 people were there, brother and sister. Now you got above them. There are so many other students are there, so be below you now.
Sure.
Okay, borders. Okay, design. Deepika dekhe.
Yes, Akinji.
Hindi, do you know Hindi, Deepika? Sorry, Kruti?
No, sir.
Learn Hindi then. I'll teach you.
Okay, sir.
First, I'll teach you one thing. So that simple words I'll tell you, which is very nice. 1 second, sorry. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Now, do you know what is kutte, kamine and all those things?
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is it? It is a
Uh,
bad word or a good word?
I think it's a bad word, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let me make a copy of this one. 1 second. Sorry. Alt and drag and drop it on this one. Use flip horizontal, flip vertical, and put this one little down. That's it. Now tell me whether it is looking good or not.
It's looking good, sir.
Be frank.
परफेक्ट सर।
परफेक्ट है, थैंक यू। फर्स्ट टाइम डिज़ाइन करा मैं।
बहुत अच्छा करे सर।
थैंक यू। ओके, सारा के लिए है तो ये सारा का नाम दे देके सेव कर देंगे इसको। राइट, इज इट ओके ऑल ऑफ यू? Minimalistic in the sense as minimum as possible,
Yes, sir.
and the design also should be very simple and what is it, very neat it should be. See, I'm not a designer, just I'm a science teacher, but as if I don't do commercial work, I'll do this what is for a students only. But in the classroom, what I'll do in a normal other time I cannot do this design. Okay, so that is my USP. Right? Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
One design we have completed. 3 important sections we have completed: stroke, transparent, what is it, fill, and transparency. Later, tomorrow we'll see some of the options available that we'll complete it, and we'll go with the panels then. Right,
Okay,
all?
sir. Okay, sir.
Right,
किस
right.
सर ये उनको दिए सर
किसको?
असाइनमेंट सारा को?
ये क्या है, कंपनी की तरफ से असाइनमेंट आया उनको। मैं यहाँ पे इसमें क्लास में अलाउ किया था, मतलब ज्वाइन होने के लिए बोला था, लेकिन नहीं हुए वो, उनको ये भेज देंगे।
हुए सर, होके चले गए।
वही, शायद उनको मतलब बिजी भी है, उनके फैमिली भी है ना, बच्चे भी है छोटे।
जी सर, परसों क्रिएट करे थे ना सर हम लोग डिजाइन, वो क्या हुआ सर?
पता नहीं, एक मिनट, वो डिज़ाइन कहाँ गया मेरा जो बनाया सुने? अच्छा, CorelDraw फाइल सेव किया ना, 1 सेकेंड, लेट मी चेक दिस। वेयर इज द CorelDraw फाइल? व्हाट इज द नेम आई हैव गिवन? Kruti?
Sara.
Design for Sara. Okay, let's select and see. Let me take the output file also. File. Okay, recent, and open this one. Maybe one more student has to join. He will join. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Let me save this as an output file, but before this one, see, anything is outside this what's that, canvas area, you have to delete that. So one more thing is there, whenever you are doing the designing, use Ctrl G to group this one and take one more object and create this outside. Okay, and apply this color and see, this is one object. What I want to select this object, go to the object mode, power clip, place inside the frame, just click over here, that's it, and align it in center. Now that's it. Outside portion, if anything is there, it will not show you that option. Now first, one more thing is there, I don't want any outline for this now, that's it. Save file. Okay, export, 1 second, export option, let's save this as JPG image. Okay, and desktop I'm saving, let's say save now. It will open one panel. Okay, this panel will open. Simple option, high quality, we have to keep it and make it 100% opacity, that is highest quality. It will increase the quality level there. Okay, and save it. That's it. It is done. Now you can see the file is saved. Select this file and send it. Okay, let's see. Okay, desktop, select this one and say open. That's it. Right, all of you? See, what is it, how much is the difference in this one and this one? If you see the WhatsApp and this one, difference you can see. Right?
Yes, sir. In the WhatsApp, it's a little brighter.
Yes, brighter and vibrant also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, okay, all of you, so it's already 11 almost, so we'll stop the class here only, and I'll send the video. Try to practice this all, whatever option I've shown you, all the important option I've shown you today. Okay, try to be in practicing this one. Okay, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Bye and good night,
जी
and we'll join tomorrow. Right,
Bye,
Deepika?
sir.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye. हाँ
सर
हाँ जी।
सर हम लोग को अगर सर करना है तो कैसे करना सर
क्या करना है?
डिज़ाइन
अभी जैसे बताया वैसे ही करना है आप लोग भी।
नहीं सर हम लोग को अभी सारा को मिल रहे ना सर अच्छे खासे
उनके पास ही लो। अभी उनमें बताया आप लोगों को, क्या बोला मैं, आप लोग तीनों मिलके एक जगह जो सो उनको जैसे वर्क आ रहे हैं ना, उन्होंने कैसा जो सो फॉलो कर रहे देखो एक बार जॉब्स के लिए। ओके,
हम लोग को अप्लाई कैसे करना पड़ता सर
वो बताया
हाँ
कि
सर,
पूरा
मुझे भी
पूरा
सेम डाउट।
पूरा गाइड जो सो उन्होंने सारा कर देते हैं आपको, क्योंकि उनको अभी इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया सारा को। नहीं बोले तो भी अभी करीब करीब उन्होंने घर बैठे, नहीं बोले तो भी 8 से 10 जॉब आ गए उनको अभी तक।
माशाल्लाह
लेकिन फर्स्ट अनफॉर्चुनेट क्या है बोले तो उन लोगों का ऑफलाइन हो गया, हर जगह सेलेक्ट हुए। ओके, एक दो जगह रिजेक्ट हुआ। ओके, लेकिन वहाँ पे फिजिकल ऑफिस में आके करो बोल के बोल रहे हैं 16,000 18,000 15,000। अब ये जॉब में जो इन्होंने भेजे ना, इसके लिए उनको 15,000 सैलरी। वो बढ़ भी
अच्छा
सकती, अगर क्रिएटिविटी अच्छी है तो बढ़ भी सकती। उन्होंने बना के भेजे तो समझ में नहीं आया उनको, थोड़ा डिफरेंट बनाओ बोले। अब मैं बना के बार बार भेजा तो क्या हो जाता, अपनी उनका जो मेन काम है ना उसमें डिफरेंस दिख जाता उनको, तो कोई और बना
हाँ
के भेजे बोल के मालूम हो जाता।
सर
इस
अभी वो जो
वास्ते भी
व्हाट्सएप पे भेजे थे वो लोग बनाए सर
हम्म,
नहीं वो लोग भेजे उनको
नहीं नहीं, उन लोग आप पूरे बात कर रहे हो ना, आप इस वास्ते बोल रहा हूँ। अभी मैं आप लोगों को परसों बोला, मैं क्या है, आप 3 लोग जो सो एक ग्रुप बना लो, वर्क करो उसके ऊपर। और उसके
तब
ऊपर
फिर
क्या
हम
है,
लोग कैसे बात करना सर मैं और सारा से
हाँ वही।
नंबर शेयर करता हूँ, 1 मिनट बात कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों से। हाँ सर,
यस सर।
देख लिए,
हेलो सर। यस सर।
देख लिए आप?
नहीं सर, खाना खा रही थी तो अभी नहीं।
अच्छा, नहीं देखे अभी? फिर नीचे वाव सर बोल के लिखे आप।
वो एक फोटो देख के बोल दी।
हाँ, फोटो ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको, फोटो देख के ही वाव बोले ना।
जी हाँ। वो जो डिजाइन फॉर सारा वो सीरियल आया ना सर,
हाँ हाँ,
वो नहीं ओपन करी मैं, उसमें वही है।
वही है, सेम ही है वो CorelDraw फाइल है, ये नॉर्मल जेपीजी फाइल है।
हाँ हाँ सर, बहुत अच्छी है सर।
अब मिनिमलिस्टिक जो उन्होंने बोले ना, तो ये रहता है मतलब
हाँ
सिंपल एंड इजी वे। टेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन आपको बोला मैं, टेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन पे काम करो बोल के, देखो टेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन में जो दिया ने में, इसको क्या है, ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं करा मैं, सिंपल रखा, थोड़ा अच्छा दिख के आ रहा। ये भेज दो फाइल उन लोगों को आज नाइट में।
हाँ सर, अभी भेज दो।
अच्छा, ये और एक है, अभी 2 एक्सपर्ट हमारे साथ में हैं, जैसे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति देखे आप, वैसे 2 एक्सपर्ट है। तो उन लोगों को मैं क्या करता हूँ, आपका नंबर शेयर करता हूँ, ग्रुप ज्वाइन हो जाओ तुम लोग। उसमें क्या है, एक से एक सपोर्ट मिल जाता है आप लोग।
ठीक है।
वो लोग भी घर में रह के काम करने वाले हैं, आप भी घर में रह के काम करने वाले हैं। ओके, एक को एक सपोर्ट हुआ तो क्या होता, कोई काम में थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाते हैं और क्रिएटिविटी में इम्प्रूवमेंट होता ग्रुप में करने से।
हाँ
ठीक है, वो लोग के साथ नंबर शेयर करता हूँ, उनके साथ जो सो बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करो। और कुछ डिज़ाइनिंग क्लासेस में जो मैं लिंक भेज रहा हूँ ना, डिज़ाइनिंग क्लासेस में बैठ के देखो थोड़ी देर।
हाँ सर।
ओके, ये क्योंकि मैं जितने भी अभी क्लासेस बोला ना मैं, ये क्योंकि आपको वर्क आया बोल के आपके रिलेटेड आपको जो से डिज़ाइन बनाया है इसमें, लेकिन उसमें जिसका
अभी और
डिज़ाइन
क्लास
है
में यही बना है।
पूरे अभी दो क्लासेस में यही बनाया है। इससे पहले आपको वो बनाया था, कौन सा, वो टेप वाला, कैनोपी वाला,
जी हाँ जी हाँ।
ये वाला। क्योंकि आगे जाके मैं शायद आपको मतलब इतना टाइम मैं दे नहीं सकता अब, क्योंकि क्लासेस इतने हो जा रहे हैं, मेरे टाइम फुल बिजी हो जा रहा है।
सही।
अभी और एक क्लास है 10:30 को, आया नहीं बंदा, अभी आया तो वो क्लास उसमें मिक्स हो जाता था। ओके, सो जब भी आपको कुछ डिज़ाइन आ रहा ना, थोड़ा उसको नहीं, एक उन्हें समझा रहा ना, वो कॉन्सेप्ट को नहीं इसी में वे में देखो इसको अच्छे डिज़ाइन में, और कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है उसको देख लेना पहले, डिज़ाइन स्टार्ट करने से पहले। ओके, उसके बाद में उसको यूटिलाइज करो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में और टेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन में, उसको कितना अपन एनहांस कर सकते हैं, देख देख के एक एक चीज़ ऐड करते जाओ उसको।
हाँ सर। एक और उन्होंने बोले थे कि वो सब हटा दो, वो जो तराजू था देखिए,
हम्म,
वो था नहीं
हाँ।
अच्छी, जो गोल्ड और एक साइड पे पैसे थे वो
हाँ।
हटा दो। थोड़ा उन्होंने मतलब कॉल करके ऐसा ऐसा बोले थे, तो मैं चेंज करके डालूंगी।
अच्छा, क्या
उसका
बोले?
फीडबैक कर देंगे। हाँ, कल फीडबैक कर देंगे।
ठीक है, ये भी भेज दो, अभी ये भी भेज दो। अभी मेरे ख्याल से ये तो अप्रूव होना चाहिए। अगर अप्रूव होगा तो मैं पास होगा, नहीं तो मैं फेल होगा। अगर आपका अप्रूव होगा तो आप पास हो जाते, इधर अगर ये फेल होगा तो मैं फेल हो जाता।
नहीं सर, ये वाला भी
डाल दो, ओके।
हाँ।
लेकिन थोड़ा वर्क करो टेक्स्ट के ऊपर, एज मैं जैसे बोल रहा हूँ ना, वो टेक्स्ट के ऊपर वर्क करो तो बस है, और कुछ भी नहीं। ठीक है, राइट। ये लोग को नंबर शेयर करता हूँ आपका, आप ये लोग का भी नंबर आपको शेयर कर दूँ। तो ये तीनों एक ग्रुप बनाओ, ग्रुप बना के वर्क करो, ओके।
सर हम लोग के नाम भी बोल दीजिए
अच्छा, इनके
सर।
नामा भी बोलना करते हैं, ओके। एक है क्या अपनी रुबीना ही है ना,
जी
और
सर।
एक है सना। हाँ, ये 2 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है। और एक है, लेकिन अभी मैं उनसे एक बार पूछता हूँ, ज्वाइन करते नहीं करते, श्रवंती बोल के है, वो
हाँ
बच्ची
सर
भी अच्छी है।
करते शायद, दोनों भी
हाँ,
करते शायद
वो
सर।
भी एक बार उसको भी बोलता हूँ। और एक है अपने फैशन इलस्ट्रेटर है, कैलकाटा की है वो भी, वो लड़की को पूछता हूँ। थोड़ा रिजर्व रहते हैं उन लोग, और थोड़ा सॉफ्ट स्पोकन रहते हैं, ओके। पूछता हूँ। ये 4-5 जने ग्रुप रहे तो क्या है, डिफरेंट एरियाज में वर्क कर सकते हैं आप लोग, आपकी नॉलेज जो से एक्सप्लोर हो सकती। ठीक है,
जी सर।
राइट। चलिए, खुदा हाफिज़।
जी सर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
खुदा हाफिज़।
सर
यस।
चले गए सर सना?
हाँ, सना भी चले गए और सारा भी चले गए।
हाँ सर, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग ऐसे रख रहे सर।
अच्छा, मैं भूल ही गया।